Hi guys, how's it going? How are you all doing? Oh, I'm going to stop that, honestly, I am. How are you all doing? Have you all had a fantastic festive season? All well rested, well fed, well lubricated? Yeah, and now here we are, on with the shave. As you've seen by the thumbnail, got some new goodies. Nothing fantastic, I'll explain as I go. Stay tuned. I've been duped, I've been scammed. Guys, I've fallen victim to a Christmas scam. It's cost me dear. I'll tell you about it during the shave. Let's crack on. First off, what we're going to be using with TK Maxx, TJ Maxx if you live in the States. I don't know what it's called in any other places. I just know it's TK Maxx. And there, right at the door, hanging up, was this puppy. Cedar&Sage razor blade, razor and 5 blades, guys, for the princely sum of just £3.99. Spread the word. People are thinking of getting into wet shaving. It's a lot of people, cost of living crisis, people struggling. Buy those, give them out as gifts. Just if you want to save some money, you look after that razor. I don't know what quality it is. We'll open it now and have a look. That's the razor we're going to be using. No idea what it's like. Clear all this stuff up. I'll just throw it down there for now. There you go. We'll get the razor out. We'll get the blades out. It's the razor. Plastic handle. Do you know what it looks like? A tech. That was quite loose. Let's see if it goes up. Yeah, seems fine enough. There are the blades. It says 5. They come in that box. We'll see what they're like. See if we can get a shave out of them. Oh, that's a big box for 5 razors. Razor blades. I do that so often, right? Wow, they are wrapped. Look at this. They are wrapped in some big thick paper. Look at that. We can take that off. And then they are wrapped once again in some big thick, look at this. Have I got the world's first triple wrapped razor? Right, I'm going to put that in the thumbnail after. I'm going to put that in there. And then they go to, I can't imagine, guys, that was I used to work in the packaging industry. It's pretty decent quality paper that. Yeah, there you go, an unmarked blade. Anybody's got any ideas of what they think they are? We'll get that. Do you know what, guys? The whole thing feels cheap, but it was cheap. I'll be absolutely honest with you. Is that? Well, that caught me by surprise. It nips up once the blade was in. It nips up quite well. It looks pretty solid, doesn't it, guys? There's some blade alignment issues there. Just a minute. Let's have another. There was just a bit of blade. No, there is. Can you see it? On this edge. There, can you see it? There's slightly more blade at this edge than there is at this one. I'll see if I can. You see it? The same at that side as well. So we'll see how we go. I'm going to put it in there in the official John Shave Super Soaker. I've had the brush soaking in there as per my instructions from Bradley, Texas. Thank you, Bradley. There you go. Beautiful Wild West Brushworks razor there. Beautiful brush. That knot's set a bit low. 26mm Badger. It's quite dense. Put it in there. I've been soaking for about 10 minutes because I always struggle with my Badger brushes. And Bradley said soak them for a little bit longer. And that's been in there that long. It's actually absorbed some of the water. So we're going to get that razor in there. We're still going to have a shave with it. We'll see how we go. The soap, Taylor's of Old Bond Street, Cedarwood. This was gifted to me, Scousing, I think. I'm ashamed to say Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. I'm ashamed to say that was gifted to me and I've had it in there that long. Whoever sent it, I do apologise. Had it in there that long, I forgot who it was that sent it to me. I think it was Scouse Ian. Thank you, Ian, or indeed thank you, whoever it was. But we're going to be using that Cedarwood. We're going to balm up with Jenny from the block, Jenny of Lopez Men's After Shape Balm, and we're going to splash up with this. Look at this, David Beckham Classic. The base notes on this are woods, and it does have a lovely, warm, spicy, woody scent to it. Don't cheat this, guys. That was a gift, but they're selling them in the supermarket, £10. I take those to work, those and other ones like them, that you can pick up pretty decent quality, cheapy frags like this, as I call them. I put them in my work bag and throughout the day at work, spray myself, you know. That keeps up the hordes of young women chasing me, right? And what we're going to do, I'm going to dip the tips in this and we're going to lather up in a shaving bowl. I'm going to use Giles. Giles, I love, absolutely love this bowl. Really, really good shaving bowl. So what we'll do is take it easy. Let's start this lathering process. Just dip the tips in. I think that, I'm going to do a bit more. What do you reckon? I think that'll do us. There you go. And we'll put that on there. There's no real moisture in to speak of that on this. We can get that out of the way. And then we'll build up a lather. Get the inside of the bowl wet. Here you go. And let's see. I think it's been quite some time since I used Taylor's of Old Bond Street. There you go. So how are you all doing? Please let me know in the comments how your festive period. I can smell this now. The scent strength I would put on this in the tub, it was about a 4. Now I'd say it's jumped to a 6. I can smell it from here. It smells absolutely wonderful. Well, you know yourself, when you use this, you are going to get a good quality. Look at this. I used to dip and put it on my face, but I don't like that. Oh, that cold, squishy feeling, you know, the stuff on my face before the lather builds up. I know I'm a big softie. Check that out, guys. From that little bit, we did okay, didn't we? Here we go. Oh, yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, I've been scammed. But it was about, I think it may have been Christmas Eve. We were all sat in the lounge and Samantha says, it was early on in the morning, 8 o'clock. Samantha says, Dad, I'm going to buy you a bottle of Baileys today. And I was like, oh, that's absolutely fantastic. So kind. No. I said, oh, do you want some breakfast? Go on. Oh, she's when I goes, fresh toast, freshly brewed coffee. Oh wow. Oh wow. So there you go. Don't bother buying this, guys. Oh, we. No. No. That's not blade alignment that's doing that. That's just a garbage razor. Ooh. We'll take it easy. And we'll at least try and get a shave out of it for the money we paid for it, yeah, so I made her fresh toast, freshly brewed coffee. So when you're going out, I'm going out after I've got some chores to do. I said, I'll do your chores. You get yourself off around town with your mum. Have a lovely day. Because we were going Christmas shopping. I said, you got yourself off. I'll stay here. I'll forego those endless of hours walking around in shops that are absolutely heaving. Just so I can look at everything, then go back 5 hours later and buy the first thing that I bought. I didn't say that. I was tempted to say, I will do your chores. I made her breakfast, I did her chores. Oh, she came back in at the end of the day. Oh, I could murder a cup of tea. I'll make you a cup of tea, mate. Make me a cup of tea. Oh, we got these. And we got these. And I got these pyjamas, and Mum got these pyjamas, and I got this, and she got, and I went, can we just cut to the chairs? Where's my Baileys? Oh, your Baileys! I'll go and get it, I'll go and get it. Yeah, Really, aye. Just for context, right? Come on, guys. That's just low, isn't it? I worked hard. Oh, I worked hard for that Bailey. But anyway, yeah, here we go. So let me know. Let me know in the comments. Did you have a nice Christmas? What did you get up to? I put a picture on my Instagram of my Christmas dinner that my son prepared for me and his wife Abby. It was absolutely delicious. It was quiet, you know, we just spent some time with the family. I'm back in work tomorrow. And Thursday, I keep forgetting what day it is. All day yesterday I was saying to Andrew, is it Sunday today or is it Monday? Keep forgetting what day it is, so. Yeah. So I don't know how it works where you are, but over here in the United Kingdom, Christmas Day and Boxing Day are national holidays. So we get Christmas Day off with pay and Boxing Day off with pay. But here's the good thing about it. Christmas Day falls on a Sunday, the day off with pay gets moved to the following Monday. Right? So Christmas Day, we got paid, we were off Christmas Day, which was a Sunday. We're off with full pay on the Monday, and then Boxing Day is also a bank holiday. So we're off Tuesday with pay, back in on Wednesday. So there you go. And then next week, I think it's just a Monday that's a bank holiday. And we're off then with that. And then it's back in. But lovely brush, lovely lather. Share's just going to be a flyer. I want to get stuff out. I know I've seen a few YouTube videos. Some people say, you know, you've got to do this and you've got to do that and what have you. But these videos, guys, it's just me having a shave, using what I'm shaving, invite you guys along into my home. I don't really feel that you need some kind of set standard, you know, like you must use a specific this, you must use a specific that. Every video, I've had another couple of little comments here and there about too much waffle, keep it about shaving and so on, and it's like, well, I suppose really I'm just too polite to say what you see on this channel is how it is on this channel, and if you don't like it, watch that. There are a plethora, aren't there? An absolute plethora. That's a word I think you'd hear in one of my videos. There's an absolute plethora of video channels, YouTube sharing channels out there doing it differently. Let's go and watch one of them. I just don't understand. Do you know what? All things being considered, guys, that wasn't a great shave, but it wasn't bad. I don't think I'll use it. I'm going straight in the bin after this though. I just don't understand. It's like these people fish out your channel. They find your channel and go out of the way to comment. Too much this, too much that. But anyway, that's it. Oh, in a back room. I've been a bit distracted this past week. You might have noticed in my videos, I'm just not my usual chirpy self. I've had some stuff going on with the family. It's just been busy, you know, like for everybody else. And I understand not everybody can get to watch these videos, can they? I understand that. It's a busy time of year. I mean, some people may even question the sense of putting one up, but hey, It's what we do, isn't it? Oh, and there you go. That's our shave. Let me know what your shave is, guys. Let me know what you thought about this shave. Just dry myself off, good and bad. My wife's just had a shower. The bathroom's like a sun. My glasses and said, look at that. And obviously we did okay, didn't we, guys? I can't. We didn't do okay, did we, guys? I'll slot that one in. It was a shave. That's just about as good as we can call it, really, isn't it? Lovely, lovely scent to this. Oh yeah, it is. And a bit of J-Lo. Who doesn't want to peck on the cheek off J-Lo on a Wednesday afternoon? Is it Wednesday? It's Tuesday. I'm filming this Tuesday. See, all the days are all just gelling into one. Why can't Christmas fall on a Saturday every year? Saturday, Boxing Day, Sunday, just happen. No, there you go. No, man. I'll tell you what, guys. Some people love Christmas quite a lot. The people next door to us, 363 days to Christmas. Got their decorations up already. There you go. That's it. Rubbish dad jokes. There you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. They're okay, aren't they? Like I said, I've been rushing them. I've been busy. I've been preoccupied. Stuff going on. I love this time of year. Love the period, the festivities, and the family, and so on. But there's a big piece of me just cannot wait until January the 3rd or the 4th. Let's just all get back to normal and crack on with the year. Look after yourselves, guys, and each other. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.